Penguins live in the southern hemisphere. Most species are found in Antarctica, but some live in warmer regions like the coasts of South America, Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. Instead, they are excellent swimmers and use their flippers to fly through the water. Oh! There are about 18 different species of penguins. Some of the most well-known species include the emperor penguin, king penguin, Adelie penguin, and the little blue penguin. Oh! Penguins have black and white feathers that make them look like they are wearing tuxedos. This coloring helps them blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. Oh! Penguins primarily eat fish, squid, and krill. They catch their food while swimming underwater. Penguins are powerful swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, 24 kilometers per hour. They can also dive deep into the ocean, sometimes reaching depths of over 1,800 feet, 550 meters. Penguins lay eggs and take care of their chicks in colonies called rookeries. Both parents take turns keeping the egg warm and feeding the chick once it hatches. Emperor penguins are the largest penguin species. They can stand about 4 feet 1.2 meters tall and weigh up to 88 pounds 40 kilograms. They are also known for their long journeys to breeding grounds and the care they provide for their eggs in harsh Antarctic conditions. Penguins have several adaptations to help them survive in cold environments, such as a thick layer of blubber for insulation and tightly packed feathers that provide waterproofing and warmth. Penguins face threats from climate change, overfishing, and habitat destruction. Warming temperatures can reduce the sea ice they need for breeding and finding food. Penguins communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations and body movements. Each penguin has a unique call that helps them recognize their mates and chicks. The smallest penguin species is the little blue penguin, also known as a fairy penguin, which is about 16 inches 40 centimeters tall and weighs around 2.2 pounds 1 kilogram. These facts can help children learn more about penguins and appreciate these amazing birds and their unique lifestyles.